do you want to eat? Show me your food face. You hungry? You want to eat? This is our food bowl. This is my dog, and that's my other dog. She's like starving. So I'm going to feed them now. You guys want to eat? I didn't get to feed you today. I'm sorry. Look here. Look here. Open it up. She goes nuts. So here's the food vlog. Here's the food. There we go. So you guys can see the food. It's in that. Alright, you gotta eat. So that's my daily routine on feeding my dog. I'm sorry. I just made a pun. And the pun was a food pun. A daily routine eats spaghetti. So, yeah. I'm just gonna go. See you guys later. Bye.